typical incandescent bulb on the left, LED bulb on the right. Kind of hard for me to do it any other way, but as you can see right there, I don't have it in the lamp, but that's my daytime running light bulb. It is a switchback and has the switchback turn signal feature. Right now it is on, off, and then on, and then when I use the turn signal, turn signal flashes, turn signal off, daylight back on. Going to install the other side now. That's the old bulb next to it. Not old bulb, it's also LED, but it's not a switchback. Notice the blinking difference between switchback LED and non-switchback LED. That's just a normal LED turn signal bulb. Keep in mind both are very bright, but being that this one is a switchback, the daytime running light does not appear between blinking. It's just simple on and off. Versus this one.